So what is the Google Search Console? The Google Search Console allows you to fix any website errors that you might have. It allows you to add a robots.txt file to your website. So you're asking, what is a robot.txt file? A robot.txt file basically lets Google know what pages you want Google to crawl, basically. So in even simpler terms, it basically means you have 6-7 blog posts on your site, and maybe you just want 2-3 of those blog posts indexed by Google. You can reference these in your robots.txt file. Then it also allows you the flexibility to submit a sitemap to Google. So what this basically does, it just submits the structure of your website to Google, so Google knows exactly the structure of your site, and it knows exactly how to crawl your website. So it's a very, very helpful tool to have, and is a non-negotiable to connect your WordPress website to the Google Search Console. So in order to connect it to the Google Search Console, what we want to go ahead and do is add a new plugin. So like always, under the plugin section, just hit that add new button. We're going to add a plugin which was, I believe, developed in the Netherlands, in Holland, and it's called the Yoast SEO plugin. It's a very, very famous plugin, and it's a great plugin for all SEO related tools on your WordPress website. So here it is, Yoast SEO. How many installations? Above 5 million active installations. As always, it shows it's reputable, it's well supported, and it's a really, really great company. So they take care of all your SEO. So go ahead and hit that install button. And like always, the next step you want to go do is smash that activate button. As simple as that. So now you can scroll down, and as you can see on the left hand side, you have a new option that says Yoast. So hover over Yoast and select the General tab. Scroll down slightly, and as you can see, you've got your dashboard, features, and webmaster tools as these 3 tabs. So the first thing what we want to go do is configure our website. So just hit the configuration wizard. This is basically going to be a set of questions that Google's going to ask us about our website to more effectively rank our website. So is my site live and ready to be indexed, or am I still currently building my site? My site is currently live. Select next. So just be patient. You just have to work your way through all these points. What type of website do you have? A blog, an online shop, a news channel, a corporation, or something else? For this demo example, I'm just going to select a blog. Select next. The name of your organization, I am Tech and Websites. You can choose the image for your organization, your logo, your Facebook page URL, your Instagram, or your social media URLs you can fill in right there. Go ahead and select next. Then it's going to show you what do you want indexed on your website. So you've got posts, which is basically your blog post that you post on your website, and you have your pages. So by default, you want to go ahead and leave these selected as yes. The templates is basically on your website that just allows you ability to try and upload content to your website. So you don't want that indexed by Google. So just leave that as no, and select no for these bottom 2. Select next. Do you want multiple authors on your website? As you can see in the description, it says if you choose no, your author archives will be deactivated to prevent duplicate content issues. That is fine. You can leave that and select no. So this is the separator that you'll see in Google search results. So let's just go to google.com and say we want to search for fat loss as a search result. So as you can see, right where my mouse is hovering, I've got a little hyphen that's separating the main title from the description. So that is the separator it is asking you about. You can scroll down, you can see these 2 also use hyphens. It really doesn't make a difference, so you can select what you want. So I like to use the pipe, which separates it quite nicely. Go ahead and select next. So now this is basically if you just want Yoast SEO to keep track of your website's data. that is really up to you at the end of the day. I'm just going to select no for the purpose of this demo. And this is just a few upsells that they're going to try. So you can go ahead and subscribe to an email that you want here, or to the newsletter rather. I'm just going to leave that unselected, select next. There we go, simple as that. Our configuration is done. Go ahead and hit that close button, and we're going to go get redirected back to our WordPress dashboard. Awesome, so what we want to go ahead and do is select the features tab. So by default you can leave all these just as they are. I'm not going to dive too much into this. You can leave it just as they are, leave them all on. The Webmaster Tools is the important one. This is so that we can actually link our WordPress website to the Google Search Console, which is, I'm sure, why the majority of you are here today. So you can go ahead and select the Google Search Console tab. This is basically going to ask us the property of a website. So it's basically going to ask us to link and confirm that techandwebsitesdemo.com, the domain that I currently have registered, is indeed my URL. And there are quite a few ways you can actually do this. The simplest way, and trust me on this, is the HTML tag. So as you can see, this meta code right here, just click there once and go ahead and copy this guy, or Control-C shortcut. So that is copied to my clipboard. I can go back and just Control-V, or right click and paste and click Save Changes. So what is this going to do? It's just going to confirm that this property is indeed mine. So I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see, I am ready to be indexed by Google. I'm going to scroll back down, I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to click Verify. So this is basically to let Google know that I have pasted this code into my WordPress dashboard and I am indeed verified. So go ahead and hit that Verify button. There we go. Great job. We are now verified. It's as simple as that to connect your WordPress website to your Google Search Console. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, like always, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll be releasing a lot of videos that will definitely give you a lot of value in taking your WordPress website to the complete next level. Leave me a comment below if you have any ideas for videos for me that you would like to see on my channel, or something that you might need help with. Please don't hesitate and reach out to me. I'm also going to leave a link in the description, which is a link to my Facebook group, which shows you and gives you great tips. It gives you great free software to show you how you can create your website from scratch completely by yourself. So go ahead and go to the description and just have a look and join my group. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day further.